Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is on a different topic. I recently bought an air fryer, so wanted to share my unboxing and first used experience. Air fryers are very popular now because of ease of use, time, energy saving, and of course health benefits. I bought this air fryer from Amazon and they had a very good deal running other day and I just grabbed it. I was confused between multi-cooker and air fryer but decided to go with air fryer instead. So this is the box I received. After opening the box, I could see there was another box with proper branding of Instant Pot. I think the packaging was good and they ensured that there aren't any loose items to avoid any damage to the product. After opening the box, we could see an air fryer and one booklet. That's it, nothing else was there. It's not that heavy. As per the packaging, it's around 7 kg. It's good to have two people, otherwise one person can also do the unboxing easily. After opening the food basket, there's a cooking tray. The instruction booklet is easy to follow. It tells you how to use your air fryer. There are instructions to set the tray inside the cooking basket. There are arrow marks on the tray as well as on the cooking basket, which tells you how to fit it. The build quality is good. It's nice looking, tough, it's sturdy and looks great in the kitchen. I also took measurement of the cooking basket. The length and width is approx 26 cm and the depth is 10 cm. So this is 1.78 kg whole chicken and it can easily fit on this cooking basket. You can see that we still got space here. To show the capacity of this cooking basket, you can see that I have placed few potatoes here. It's around 1.7 kg potatoes and then you can see that there are still space available here and you can fit I think few more potatoes in this basket. After turning on the air fryer, it remains in off position. The functions are self-explanatory. There are 5 different modes available: air fryer, roast, broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate. Depending upon the mode, the time and temperature would change. You can also use the knob to increase, decrease the temperature and the time. First, you need to press the time or temp, then use the knob to adjust the temperature or time. Maximum temperature it can reach is up to 205 degrees Celsius. After pressing any function, first it starts with preheat. It may take less than 2 minutes to do the preheat. Once preheat is done, there would be a message to add your food. The sound from air fryer is not that loud and it's bearable. After turning off, it still runs for a few seconds to cool off the heating element and then shuts off. So just one thing to note here, there's an air ventilation here and as per the booklet it's clearly mentioned we should keep at least 13 cm distance between the wall and the air fryer so that the air circulation happens properly. You may also use a silicone tray so that basket remains clean. These silicone trays are available in different sizes. You can also use aluminum foil on top of the basket. This will also keep the air fryer clean. If you prefer oil in your food, then you can also buy an oil sprayer. Using the oil sprayer, you can spray some oil on your food. Now let's do some air frying. After preheating, I put few smileys on the cooking basket. It took less than 10 minutes to cook those smileys. In between, there was a message to turn the food. The smileys were very crispy and tasty. I didn't use any oil, but the taste was similar to the deep fry. I also cooked some samosas and result was same. I also roasted boneless chicken as well. I used roast option here. Already had some oil mixed in the marination. And I also turned them in between. So the result was amazing and chicken was very soft from inside and had very good texture from the outside. Just to give you the comparison between conventional oven and air fryer, conventional oven will take approximate 40 minutes to cook the same chicken and air fryer took less than 20 minutes. So that's it from this video. Overall experience with Instant Pot air fryer has been very good. It's easy to use, very convenient. All the food items which we cooked were tasty. We could see huge time saving between conventional oven and air fryer. We have been using this a lot in our daily life, and if you also have a similar uses, then I would recommend you to buy an air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share your feedback and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.